Hello, Caroline. Hope you're doing great. So today is the day I talk about the damper pedal timing. So this is pages 36 and 37 in your book here. So it is going to be a little difficult to get across exactly what I'm doing via video, but I'll do my best here. But I would definitely look up, if you have any questions, I would definitely look up some video tutorials, um, especially specifically piano adventures, I think, because lots of people use the pedal incorrectly. So if you want to be able to, clearly see exactly what someone's foot is doing, I would just look up, piano adventures to be more about the damper pedal, something like that. But I'll do my best here. So let's just read through the information about the damper pedal. So the piano has 2 or 3 pedals. It's pretty rare to see one with 2, though. I mostly see electric keyboards with 2, or very, very old pianos with 2. But mostly they're going to have either 1 or 3, actually. I mean, a piano, an acoustic, will always have at least 2, but keyboards frequently have just 1, and almost every piano has 3. Okay, the pedal on the right is called the damper pedal, and it's called that because it lifts the felts, called dampers, off the strings. This allows the strings to continue to vibrate, which makes the sound ring. So if I see you in person soon, then we'll actually open up the piano and I'll show you what they're talking about. But, the mechanism of the piano, let's say you've got your string here, and then a hammer comes and hits it, and that makes it ring out. And it will keep ringing until something pushes into it to get it to stop moving. And that something is called a damper. And the damper engages when you let go of the key. So if I play middle C and I hold it down, right, it'll just keep ringing, because right now the string is free to vibrate. But as soon as I let go, a little piece of felt pushes into the string to get it to stop. Now if I hold the damper pedal down, it just lifts all those dampers off every string. And now, even when I let go with my hand, right, like I said, here's the string, it's vibrating. Even when I let go with my hand, the damper is not able to come and push on the string because the damper pedal is holding them all up, basically, or holding them all away from the string until I let go with my foot, and then it can finally make the note quiet right there. Okay, so hopefully that makes some sense, but let's keep going. 3 rules for pedaling. Number 1, use your right foot, ideally, right? Number 2, always keep your heel on the floor. This one's important. So you should not be lifting up your entire leg, your entire calf, right? Your heel should stay on the floor, and then you kind of pivot from there. Okay, and the toes and ball of your right foot should rest comfortably on the pedal. So even when you're not using the pedal, if there's going to be pedal in that song at any point, you begin with your foot already on the pedal, like not pressing it down, but just ready to go on the pedal. Okay, so this next part, the pedal warm-ups, are very important, and we have to do exactly what they say, because, like I said, this is one of the trickier things to get down, so I found that students benefit a lot from saying the words out loud, like we're going to do here and everything. So, step 1, say the words aloud as you pedal this preparatory exercise. Remember the 3 rules. So, the foot motion there is you're going to go up, or if you haven't pressed it down yet, then you're already up. So up, then down, and then hold it, and then again, up, down, hold it, up, down, hold it, like that. And what I want you to do is pause the video here and no, keep it running, because we'll do it together. How about that? So do this foot motion here with the pedal while we say what we're doing. So here we go. Ready, go. Up, down, hold it. Up, down, hold it. Up, down, hold it. We're going to keep going. Up, down, hold it. Up, down, hold it. Up, down, hold it, like that. Now, if you want more practice with that to get the muscle memory down, just, don't be afraid to rewind and do that a couple more times. Okay, so that's the basic foot motion that we need to get down. So now step 2 down here is it's the same thing, but this is how it would be written in the music. So it says, in music, the same foot motion is shown with these pedal marks. The little triangle or the little caret tells you to lift the damper pedal and then depress it again. So now, while following along here with your eyes, right, keeping your eyes on this notation at the bottom, this line, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to say it out loud. So here we go. Let's try that together. Ready, go. Up, down, hold it. 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 One more. Up, down, hold it. Great. So if you just look at this, it looks like the up down should be super quick, right? It's just the tiniest little point up there. But as you can see, in reality, it's a nice relaxed up, down. In fact, if you do it too fast, then you run into problems and it doesn't sound very good. So even when it just shows like a little bump like that, you're still just going to calmly up and then down, not too fast. Okay, so once you have that down and you're pretty comfortable with that, then you're ready for the song on page 37. All right. Let me check how we're doing on time. Okay, pretty good, not bad. All right, so this song, Pedal Power, is to practice this while playing, and that's the hard thing. And we're going to keep saying stuff out loud as we play it. So first, play the right hand without the pedal, right? And so I would recommend pausing between each step here to try it yourself. But basically, to play this without the pedal, we're going to start with a C chord for two beats, and then let go and move for 2 beats up. You're just going to move up a white key. So now same shape, but starting on D. And then you move that over again. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And keep going. Until you get to the top. All right? So that's the first thing. Step 2, now add pedal and say the words aloud as you play. Notice the pedal goes down after the chord. So now, this is the hard part, right, is we're going to play it while saying what our foot is doing. And notice the word up lines up with the chord. Right? The word down is after the chord. So you go up, down, hold it. 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 Up, down, just like that. Okay. Oh, I should have read step 3, but it says prepare the right hand chord or the next right hand chord during beats 3 and 4. So, right, during beats 3 and 4, you want your hand to be moving. You don't have, but yeah, basically. So you're gonna move during that, You're gonna move your hand during beats 3 and 4 of each measure, right? So 1 and 2, you're holding it down, 1, 2, and then basically when you're saying hold it is kind of when your hand is free to move. Okay. And then lastly, listen carefully for a smooth connected sound. So if you get this timing wrong, it could sound like this. And see how there's a gap in the sound between every chord? We don't want that. Instead, we want no gaps anywhere. Similarly, we don't want overlap either. That's why the word up lines up exactly with the chord. If it's after, it sounds like this. Right, you can hear all of those chords. Which it doesn't sound bad necessarily, but at least not in this song, but it will sound bad in lots of other songs. So we generally try to avoid that. All right. Let's see here. I'll have to stop there, but this is a good song to try out. If you feel really comfortable with this and it sounds smooth and clean, you could certainly try Beach Party, which is just another song that's mainly meant to help you practice pedaling correctly. But I'll go ahead and finish up there. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you next time.